Foota Hype, don't call me name in your body mode. Foota Hype, don't call me name in your body mode.
Welcome to Live Foot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greatest of viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Good night, good night, good night. You know the man of peace and the lion foot, you know, say give thanks to life, health and strength. Give thanks to another day. Viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, without the lioness, we just forward for our work. And we are telling you, say, yo, book up, fully bad, make us a bad, make us a out of order, make us a rule. Yo, fully bad, I should say, bad and them not of fear, them not of manners, you know. Fully bad. We can deal with Foota, sir. A Foota your style, sir, daddy. Judge. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. We are forward.
Good morning, I don't know how many British I may represent for World Star from the Christmas bus party, the 15th of December. People, get on the ticket, first come, first serve. Music by World Star Sound, alongside Players Choice Sound. Yeah man, big up Orthodox, you know. Big up the World Star family, them. I don't know, the 15th of December, World Star Family Christmas Bus Party. People, get on the ticket, you know what I mean?
Yes, welcome back. Do remember this vlog is sponsored by the World Star Family, One in British. This vlog is sponsored by One in British, the World Star Family. Look out for them bus ride, the 15th of December. See, in 2 weeks now, I promote it, you know. And we now stop. See? Yes. The party, the bus ride, the last one shot. This one I'm going to shatter. It's even the 15th of December. Yeah, man, £40 for the ticket. You don't know, you get entry and you get a liquor, you get a drink, you get food, if you want food. But you can make your own liquor as well, beverage. You see me, I just come party on the bus. Gala got dash out. I do for me say Gala got dash out, you know. And now man sitting, yeah man. Yeah man, big up yourself World Star. One of which is World Star family. See? Yes man, so you don't know, you see it. Anyway. Fully bad, I'll drop a song named Diuble Kill. We don't know if the song drop it or work. Me a fire first. Me know tie, not tell a lie. You see me I say? And book up on it. You see me? Diuble Kill. Come like fully bad kill Kyodi. Kyodi and Foota Hype. Zeal. We don't know, but from where me I pray, I say, I know say Foota come like a real Kyodi more than fully bad. We don't know what go on with Foota and fully bad, you know. But with the war with fully bad and Demarco, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't say Foota review none of fully bad song. But as soon as Kyodi drop a song, and them are clap Kyodi with the earline, blows and skirt. Missy Foota say, yeah, I'm gonna review the two songs. See? So I say, oh, Foota review Kyodi and Demarco. And, you know, him never review Demarco. And fully bad, I know Foota I'm gonna review a song like myself here. Big up, I know Foota I'm generally, big up Foota. See? So I say, come like Foota, no really nothing with fully bad. Because I remember Foota used to manage fully bad, you know. You see me? Yeah, until Foota say he no longer manage fully bad career. But anyway, fully bad I doing things, see me a bad artist. Big up fully bad in the car, you know. I'm up on the ground. Fully bad forward of my studio come work, the obsession in a PN land. You see me? I'm got a fully bad place. As a special guest, I'm birthday party, go perform and shell it down with who feels it knows. You know, I'm Foota tune, I'm fully bad tune for tune. See? I find it on YouTube and show now. You see me? They're on part of YouTube, man. You see? But it's from 2017. You know what I mean? But anyway. I'm going to look a snippet of the song, Diuble Kill.
To and come kill your blood clot, shoot up the whole of your
lift up that.
Batty boy.
Me gun no, short a teeth like no granny mouth. Goffy boy a big yard and jaggy mouth. When him nice the one it sang him call it out.
Yo, the man say yo, a Kyodi but talking the man say Kyodi. The man say him gun them the short a teeth like him granny mouth. You see me I say? The man say Kyodi should have make use of one hit song where him get. You see me I say? I should make use of one hit song instead of him get the one hit song and can't find another one. You see me I say? A man go join him out, a big yard man join him out. Remember say, the man got the whole heap of researching and program run pan Kyodi and them are sweep on him life. Say everything we talk about Kyodi are true, you know. He sweep on his life. You see me? And that was a song from Demarco. But you know, Demarco proved that he's a very lyricist, he's lyrical, can write and build song on spot. Demarco have him on studio and build him rhythm and mix himself and do everything. So that is a man we're hard for war with. That's why we see enough of the people who are commenting in the comment section and say, don't worry with a man, we can do everything musically. You see me I say engineering, mix the rhythm, make him own a rhythm, them mix him song how him want, make him sound how him sound, and furthermore Demarco full of melody. You see me I say? Said hard for war with a man like that. But anyway, peace more this side.
Go and go out with Shan, make you knock him out, Foota Dyke. Don't call me name in your body mouth, Foota Dyke. Don't call me name in your body mouth, Foota Dyke. Don't call me name in your body mouth.
Fully bad, they can't deal with Foota said. But I say, Foota Dyke him say? I know the Foota Hype him say. Foota Dyke him say, no. Foota Dyke, so like a Foota Dyke. Don't call me name in your body mouth. Well, you have to take about the dance song, yeah. Tell you another one. How Foota go react with this now? More I say, oh Foota, for they will not check in on Foota live, they know. But boy, I say, oh Foota go react to this, to Kaka Clat. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. You think Fully Bad out of order or is wrong to style Foota like that? Well, we are laughing, we have to take bad things and laugh, you know, music. So we say, hey, please go check out my EP Welcome to Kingston, please and thanks. The EP Welcome to Kingston is available on all digital platforms, but we are tell you, we can't stop laugh to Kaka Clat. Why Kyodi, you're running a fire? I don't know. Fully Bad, the war nice. Say, man, I say Fully Bad and Kyodi war, because clearly the people must say, Fully Bad can't manage contain Demarco energy and fire, see me? But I give Fully Bad him credit because Fully Bad stand up to Demarco, tune for tune. Yeah man. And Demarco talk it himself, say, you know I'm going to review that song, the Demarco song, when this Kyodi. The man say Foota and Kyodi I try stop Fully Bad boss. I plan them and try blighted Fully Bad boss. I say, Lord the youth, make him not try to blight the youth boss. That's what Demarco say in his song, you know. In the Kyodi, this song. You see me? So that's why Fully Bad good at grasp on the situation and say, hey boy, you're jumping a man war. All this, boom! You come and say, yo, Kyodi girl a beat him and them thing there. You see me? And that Fully Bad say, no. And Demarco say it too. You see me? But the man say, Foota Dyke, Jah Jah Gad. You guys have some comments, I'm going to be also though. I go search if you want. I want to review the whole of that song, yeah. Fully Bad dealing, Foota Hype, brawling. No, sir. You know, Foota must feel away if you see this right now. Foota go react, Foota go react. You guys have some comments, I like your Foota to pick up yourself. Don't watch me, I love laugh. You see what I say? Yeah, man, the man of peace. See there? Man of peace, you know? Yeah, man, we have the badge them, and if you want a badge, link up, Lion put for your badge. You have the badge them, you know, just leave a donation, and you can get one free too, you see me? Yeah, man. Holy man, well, I still see that. Push shots. Alright, beg the youth them to stop the crime, because I know we can't deliver the vlog them under mention, say stop the crime. See? Push shots. Blessed love. Yeah, man. Newspaper. I'm going to go read some articles here now. You see what I said? Manners and respect. See? Blessed.
Me gun no, short a teeth like no granny mouth. Goffy boy a big yard and jag him out. When him nice the one it sang him gal it out. Go and go out with Shan, make you knock him out. Foota Dyke, don't call me name in your body mouth.